Hey everyone, and welcome. This week's recipe review are 1940s Baby Ruth cookies from Tasting History. These cookies have candy bar pieces baked inside. This recipe was so popular that it was printed on every Baby Ruth candy bar wrapper during the World War II years. It was also one of the most requested treats that GIs asked for from home while fighting in Europe. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so these Baby Ruth cookies were easy to make and turned out nicely. I used 2 3/4 full-size Baby Ruth candy bars, which weighed 1.9 ounces each. My wife cut them up into small pieces. The recipe suggested to make 18 or so cookies, so once I mixed the dough, I weighed it and divided it by 18. That worked out to 34 grams per cookie. That gave us nice, even cookies. I baked them for 14 minutes and they were good to go. Now for the taste test. You can see how beautifully they baked up. When I took the first bite, it was nice and buttery and just barely sweet. The texture was perfect with a crispy edge and a soft center. I noticed right away that the cookie enhanced the flavor of the candy bar. It didn't overpower or compete with it, but complemented it perfectly. It elevated the chocolate, caramel, and peanut flavors. You can tell that the Baby Ruth is the star of the show, as it should be. Overall, these are 100-star cookies. After eating a few, I understand why they were so popular back in the day. The recipe also notes that you can experiment and substitute any candy bar that you like, and we will definitely do that in the future. So again, these were a huge win. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have a recipe that you would like me to review, be sure to leave the link in the comments below. Also, check out my other reviews in my cookies playlist.